Hey everyone! Welcome back to Happy Art for Kids. Today, we're coloring the adorable Hello Kitty for Valentine's Day. We'll be using some bright art markers and glitter. Let's get started. Look at how adorable Hello Kitty turned out with her Valentine sparkle. I hope you had fun coloring with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.